Scope for Cybersecurity in 2024 update for 2024. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the process of implementing methods to protect against unauthorized access and related cyber attacks and threats. The future of cybersecurity.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
It completely relies on the current state and the balance between security, privacy, and other confidential information. Cybersecurity helps maintaining confidential businesses' information secured. This helps businesses provide good services to their customers and maintain quality in their products. Future risks in cybersecurity. It is said that by the year 2025, 80% of organizations will begin to adapt methods to merge web services and cloud services from a single service edge. By 2030, 80% of organizations will begin to use cybersecurity risks in business transactions and third-party transactions as a prime element. Importance of cybersecurity. As the economic value of data increases, so do the threats to it. Since it is crucial to protect sensitive data that could pose a major threat, cybersecurity is very important. These threats make it very complicated for the organizations to handle the data breaching. Predictions of cybersecurity for 2024. What will cybersecurity look like in 2024? With the current rates of cybercrime, by the end of 2024, there will be a critical need for data-centric security and privacy. With cybercrime costs projected to reach a staggering $10.5 trillion globally by 2025, securing user data would become one of the most prioritized assets for any organization. Here's what we can expect in the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape of 2024. Data-centric security takes center stage. As data breaches continue to dominate headlines, securing user information will become paramount. Organizations will likely invest heavily in data loss prevention, DLP, solutions, cloud security measures, and robust identity and access management, IAM, protocols to safeguard sensitive data. Privacy-enhancing technologies emerge. Technologies like homomorphic encryption and zero-knowledge proofs are gaining traction, allowing users to control their data while still enabling its utilization for analytics or other purposes. This shift towards privacy-preserving approaches will be crucial in building trust with users and complying with stricter data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. AI-powered security, a double-edged sword. Artificial intelligence (AI) will play a more prominent role in cybersecurity. AI-powered tools can be invaluable for threat detection, automation of security tasks, and faster incident response. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential for AI to be misused by attackers as well. Robust security practices and the ethical development of AI tools will be critical in this domain. Career path. One does not have to be qualified from the mid to work in cybersecurity. A proper training done with a good certification is the only thing it needs.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.